Hello friend, today we are going to study growth curve, where we are going to study three types of growth curve: linear growth curve or linear graph, exponential graph and sigmoid graph. Last time we have studied the arithmetic growth as well as the geometric growth, where we have seen that the arithmetic growth is represented by a linear graph. Linear graph means what? At a particular time of interval, a constant number of cells are added in a plant body, so we get a linear graph. Okay, linear graph in arithmetic growth. In geometric growth, at the initial stages, at the starting phase of the growth, the growth rate is very slow, and after that, later on, the growth rate is at its optimum level. It is very fast. So in this way, in geometric growth, we get a J-shaped graph or exponential graph. In case of third graph, that is sigmoid graph, where three phases occur. First phase is lag phase, second phase is exponential phase, and third phase is stationary phase. Okay, in the first phase, which is called as lag phase, where growth rate is very slow. Okay, after that, after a particular time of the growth rate is at optimum, is its optimum level, and later on it goes on decline. So the phase where optimum growth is observed, this phase is called as exponential phase, or this phase is also known as log phase, and the decline phase is known as where the growth rate is very slow at a constant rate, or it goes on decline, so this phase is called as stationary phase. So in sigmoid graph, three phases occur: lag phase, exponential or log phase, and stationary phase. The total time period required for all these three phases is called as grand period of growth. Remember this, grand period of growth means what? The total time period where all these phases occur. Okay,